Hello there! Do you want to start using Snapchat but don't know how to? Well, keep on watching, for in this video, we're going to talk about what is Snapchat and how does it work. And before we get started, please do hit that like button and share this video so it can reach more people. And let's get started. With the horde of social media apps in the market right now, it can be really difficult to understand how each one of them works. Snapchat, one of the most well-known social media apps, gives people an easy way to share everyday moments and make them look as aesthetic as they want. First, let's talk about what is Snapchat. Snapchat is a multimedia app that can be used on smartphones running Android or iOS. It allows you to send pictures or videos named snaps to friends. These snaps vanish after they've been viewed, and it only stays for 24 hours. The platform also offers a chat function, similar to instant messaging services like WhatsApp. The main difference, however, is that as with snaps, chats disappear once they've been viewed. You can change your settings so chat vanish 24 hours after opening instead. They can also be saved by tapping once on the message. Either user in the conversation can delete chats by tapping again. You can set time limits on snaps, or they can loop infinitely. If you choose the latter option, they can be saved in the chat screen. Nonetheless, the whole point of Snapchat is that anything sent soon disappears. Moving on. How does Snapchat work? Get started with Snapchat. Follow these steps to understand Snapchat login and signing up. 1. Download the Snapchat app from the Play Store in your Android or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. Two, sign up in the app by entering your name, birth date, along with your email address. Next, set a username for your Snapchat handle. Add friends on Snapchat. 1. You can import contacts from your phone on the app and add them on Snapchat. Or you can search for their username on the app and add them through that. You can also add people from some suggestions under the people you may know, similar to other social media apps. You can also directly add someone by scanning or taking a picture of someone's Snap code. A Snap code is the unique QR code generated for every user. Sending messages and pictures. Snapchat is more popular for sending snaps or pictures and videos, rather than sending text messages. When you open the app, the first thing you access is the camera. You can click a picture or video, add filters, and edit according to how you like, with multiple editing features provided by Snapchat. Now that you have customized your snap according to your liking, you can send it to any of your friends, or add it to your story. A Snapchat story is a picture or video which is accessible or viewable to anyone you want, but only for 24 hours. Now you know how Snapchat works. If you do decide Snapchat is for you, it won't take long before you're using Snapchat on a daily basis. On an average, users spend more than 30 minutes a day on Snapchat and sends over 2 million snaps every minute. If you think Snapchat's right for you, get on board. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, let me show you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. where you can create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. And that is CloudFunnels by Technic4ce. Create an amazing funnels and landing pages. Build your dream site with CloudFunnels. You can create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. And it supports all major payment gateways. And it has memberships. So try CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.